Oh, I got a spot, man.
Hi, my name's Holly. Today, to redecorate my bathroom.
Okay. Hello, welcome to my first video. I'm a bit nervous. I've decided in quarantine that I'm gonna redecorate my room. We're doing the bathroom today, so I want to do green and pink, which sounds a bit out there, but I think it'll look good. But we're gonna go tone base if they let us in. Ryan's gonna help me. Off tone base. We're here.
What are we doing right now?
In the queue.
In the queue.
2,000 years later.
We're in that queue for like half an hour. Bloody freezing cold,
longer
isn't
than
it?
half an hour. I think that's the one.
Was it Emerald Glade?
So, the first thing I need to do is take everything out of the bathroom. Going in with the first stroke, and I'm scared. Oh my god! I like it. Wow, that's green! The amount of mistakes I'm going to probably make.
6.5 hours later.
Hey Holly, how's it going?
We've made the bold decision that I'm going to paint the ceiling. I mean, look at me, I don't need a man. I took this radiator off by myself.
Done such a good job so far.
Do we like the colour?
We do like the colour.
I'm covered in paint.
Yeah, doing well.
Look how neat.
That is neat, isn't it?
Day 2.
So the challenge for today is to build the cabinet. Ryan's going to stream, so I don't have help. Woo! So I'm going to do it on my own.
Do it on your own!
Woo! Let's go! Alexa, shuffle play Michael Jackson. Alexa, turn that volume up.
One eternity later.
So we've finally finished the bathroom. Woohoo! I'll do before and after. So here it is before, very white, very plain, very boring. And here it is after. I added a lot of new things. I added a bath mat, which is kind of pink, marble and grey, which was from Etsy. Came all the way from America. New bin, things like that. New toilet roll holder. How exciting is that? The main excitement of the room is this beautiful print that is a tarot card of the lovers. I absolutely love it, and I just think it really brings out the colours in the room. It's kind of got the pink and the green in it, so I love it. I got a new mirror. I got another frame, picture of me and Ryan, how cute, in a photo booth. I got a matching set of 3 of a toothbrush holder, soap dispenser and a mirror, so they all match together, and I just used my same towels, and I got a laundry basket from Amazon. I'm really proud of it. I think it looks really good. It's not everyone's taste, I can imagine, green and pink, but I think it looks really good. Did it all by myself, independent woman and all that. If anyone's interested in anything I bought, anything I got, then I'll put links in the description and stuff like that if anyone's interested. I don't know. Who else wants to paint their bathroom green and pink? I don't know. Thank you very much for watching, and I hope everyone stays safe and well in the current time. Maybe I'll see you soon.